12 foods that can give you strong and thick hair. Number 1. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts have long been believed to be a natural remedy for hair regrowth due to their high selenium content. Selenium is a crucial mineral that promotes the production of antioxidants, which help protect the scalp from damage and stimulate hair follicles. Additionally, Brazil nuts are also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and zinc, all of which play vital roles in healthy hair growth. These nutrients work together to nourish the scalp and strengthen hair strands, preventing breakage and promoting new growth. Snacking on a handful of these tasty nuts can be an enjoyable way to potentially support your journey towards luscious locks. Number 2. Fatty fish. If you're looking to improve your hair health and promote regrowth, consider incorporating fatty fish into your diet. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. These fatty acids nourish the hair follicles and help reduce inflammation in the scalp, which can contribute to hair loss. Additionally, they improve blood flow to the scalp, ensuring that essential nutrients reach the hair follicles. The high protein content in fatty fish also plays a role in maintaining strong and healthy hair strands. So next time you're at the grocery store or dining out, opt for a delicious salmon dish or try some grilled mackerel to give your hair some extra love. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are not only great for satisfying your breakfast cravings, but they can also work wonders for your hair. The secret lies in their abundant protein content, which is essential for hair growth and strength. This protein helps to repair damaged hair follicles, nourish the scalp, and stimulate regrowth of new hairs. The yolk of the egg contains biotin, a vitamin known to promote hair growth by strengthening the hair shafts and preventing breakage. Additionally, eggs are rich in nutrients like vitamins A and E, which moisturize and condition your locks, making them more resistant to damage. So if you're worried about hair loss or hoping to regrow those luscious locks of yours, incorporating eggs into your diet or even applying a DIY egg mask on your scalp every once in a while might just be the natural solution you've been looking for. Number 4. Carrots. Carrots, apart from being a crunchy and delicious addition to salads or as a snack, also offer numerous benefits for hair health and growth. Thanks to their high vitamin A content, carrots can promote the production of sebum in the scalp, which helps keep it moisturized and prevents hair breakage. Additionally, this versatile vegetable is rich in antioxidants that protect against free radicals and strengthen the hair follicles. By improving blood circulation to the scalp, carrots also ensure better nutrient delivery to the hair follicles, aiding in faster hair growth. Carrots are also known to contain biotin, a B vitamin, essential for maintaining healthy hair strands. So munching on some carrot sticks or incorporating them into your diet will not only support vibrant hairs but also contribute to overall well-being. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet and applying it directly to the scalp can be a dynamic duo for promoting hair growth. When consumed, the protein, vitamins, and probiotics in Greek yogurt nourish hair from within, strengthening strands and fostering a healthy scalp environment. Applying Greek yogurt topically adds a direct boost, delivering these nutrients to the hair follicles. The yogurt's natural lactic acid exfoliates the scalp, unclogging follicles and promoting circulation. Together, internal consumption and external application create a holistic approach, harnessing the potent benefits of Greek yogurt for luscious, vibrant hair growth. Number 6. Berries. Berries, encompassing varieties like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are more than just sweet treats. They are nutritional powerhouses with potential benefits for hair health. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and various polyphenols, which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy scalp. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on hair follicles and promoting an environment conducive to hair growth. Additionally, berries are rich in vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin K, and several B vitamins, all of which contribute to overall hair health. Number 7. Flaxseed. These little seeds contain vitamin E and B-complex vitamins, which improve scalp health and stimulate those luscious locks of yours. Moreover, the high levels of lignans found in flax seeds help prevent hair breakage and brittleness. This is because lignans possess antioxidant properties that protect your precious tresses from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Oh, did I mention that flax seeds are natural moisturizers too? Yup. They lock in moisture to keep your hair hydrated and shiny. So, if you're seeking healthier looking hair, incorporating some flax seeds into your diet might just be the secret ingredient you've been missing. Number 8. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to strong and healthy hair. These veggies are rich in vitamins A and C, which promote the production of sebum, a natural conditioner for the scalp. They also contain iron and biotin, crucial elements for hair growth and overall hair health. Iron ensures proper oxygenation of hair follicles, preventing hair loss and breakage. Biotin aids in the production of keratin, a protein essential for strong strands. Additionally, their high water content keeps the scalp hydrated, reducing itchiness and dandruff concerns. Incorporating these nutrient powerhouses into your diet not only adds variety to meals but also supports the growth of luscious locks naturally while keeping you feeling good from within. Number 9. Lean meats. Did you know that lean meats like chicken and fish can help promote hair growth? It's true. Lean meats are packed with essential nutrients, such as protein, iron, and zinc, which are vital for healthy hair. Protein is the building block of our hair, providing strength and structure to each strand. Iron helps carry oxygen to the hair follicles, promoting their growth and preventing hair loss. Additionally, zinc plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our scalp and hair follicles. By incorporating lean meats into your diet, you can ensure that you're giving your body the necessary nutrients it needs to support hair regrowth. So next time you're planning a meal, consider including some delicious chicken or fish for not only its taste but also its potential benefits for your luscious locks. Number 10. Lentils and beans. Lentils and beans are nutritional powerhouses, providing a wealth of essential nutrients that play key roles in promoting hair health. These legumes are abundant sources of protein, necessary for keratin production, as well as biotin, a B vitamin that supports the metabolism of fatty acids, contributing to the luster and strength of hair. Lentils, specifically, are rich in folate, which stimulates cell growth and repair, preventing hair loss caused by DNA damage. Including lentils and beans in the diet ensures a holistic approach to nourishing the hair from within. Number 11. Sweet potatoes. You won't believe the incredible benefits of sweet potatoes for your hair. Not only are they deliciously versatile in your meals, but they also have natural properties that can make your hair stronger and healthier. Sweet potatoes are loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C and E, which provide nourishment to your scalp and promote hair growth. These vitamins stimulate collagen production, resulting in stronger hair strands from the root to the tip. Moreover, sweet potatoes contain vital minerals such as potassium and iron that prevent hair loss and breakage. The beta-carotene found in these tubers gets converted into vitamin A by our bodies, effectively combating dryness and giving you shiny tresses. Number 12. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is an excellent antioxidant that aids collagen production, a critical protein for hair structure. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, making them an ideal addition to a hair-boosting diet. This vitamin enhances scalp circulation, supporting healthy hair follicles. In conclusion, lean meat, lentils, beans, and Brazil nuts emerge as nutritional powerhouses that contribute significantly to hair health and may aid in regrowing lost hairs. By understanding the roles of protein, iron, biotin, folate, and selenium in these foods, individuals can make informed dietary choices to promote strong, resilient, and vibrant hair. As with any health-related matter, it is advisable for individuals experiencing significant hair loss to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and comprehensive solutions.